Hello everyone, welcome to another fascinating episode of CG Innovate. Today we have two distinguished entrepreneurs with us, the co-founders of Aeon Digicon, headquartered in Korba and incorporated in 2017. This is an IT company which deals into industrial automation and a variety of verticals. So before wasting any other time, I would like to invite uh, first of all, thank you guys for joining us. It means a lot, and for the state as well, the progress you're doing. Kudos to you. Kudos to you guys doing exceptional work. Welcome to CG Innovate platform.
Thank you.
Before anything, I would like to first ask you about your journey. How did you happen to conceive the idea of Aeon Digicon and your journey so far? So let me just ask the question first to Anurag, and then we'll follow it with Avdesh.
Hi Harshit. So its journey began in 2017, but the journey has been begun. We are already moving from the corporate world. We both have worked in the corporates since 2005 or 6. We have started our journey. So I have started my journey on 2005 with the Vedanta Group as a GAT, and after that, from there I have moved from GAT to AGM. And on 2017, I have decided to set up my own startup, and where I can do for the industry, give industry back what the industry is lacking in terms of the industrial solutions that is not readily available with the teams. So we started this Aeon Digicon. The Aeon Digicon is having 3 different meanings in its names only. Aeon is automation, DG is digitalization, and Con is consulting. So that's why we named it Aeon Digicon. And further to this, on 2017, we both have on different locations, but on the same company, but we decided to move apart and start our own startup. So that way it was started on 2017, and then the journey is going on. We started with a zero clientele, and it's from moving from the salaried background to a business background where a lot of investment is required, or you will not get on the day one in the salary. What will happen, on every first you get the salary, but on this journey you never get the salary. You have to give the salary, and you have to get it materialized. You have to make it your account available, that funds are available with you. So in the beginning there were a lot of challenges, but we faced on and we moved on this journey, and we got it's a starting there was a tough, but after that it was moving fine, and we are hoping for the great future ahead.
Initially, we started with 0, but now we are a team of around 35 plus people here based at Raipur and Korba. So we are doing different IT automation projects and different business houses with different business houses in India, like C8, Vedanta Group, Birla Group, Aditya Birla Group, these all. And parallelly in 2017, we started our another vertical in PR and branding. So there we are also, apart from IT automation, we are doing social digital PR and branding activities for corporate clients.
Thanks a lot. Seems to be quite a journey, and the rapid growth that you people are seeing is also very encouraging and instrumental for the state as well. So yeah, congratulations on starting and succeeding. Since you people are into IT, let me ask you the following question. It's about how do you see the IT, the development of IT ecosystem in the state? What is the scope, and what role do you see IT playing in the development of the state?
IT is having a lot of opportunity, and today that's all the world is moving towards the digitalizations. And we are in the fields of the automations. Mostly our priority always will be the industrial automation, and Chhattisgarh is full of the industries. So there is a lot of opportunity we are seeing in the state of Chhattisgarh, and there is a every bit and piece of the things which is going on into the paperwork that needs to be converted into the terms of digital data and terms of the information to be data to be must be converted into the information. So that's why we are here. And this in terms of scope, the Chhattisgarh is having Chhattisgarh government is also doing a lot of good work in terms of the digitalization. The e-governance is going pretty good in the state of Chhattisgarh. But even though in the terms of industries like various industries are available in terms of steel, aluminium, or in terms of mining, metal mining, and other sectors. So there is a lot of opportunities always available, and we are happy to work with them and provide them the solutions and give back to the society what we already created the products and what is need of the hour.
Avdesh, would you like to add something on this?
Yeah, actually, we always feel here in Chhattisgarh there are too many opportunities. People, especially there are industries who wants to have IT as their strength, but there are scarcity of the IT specialized people here in Chhattisgarh, because what happened in other state or say metro cities, most of the big companies are focused on the big business houses. So here the opportunity are in terms of the unorganized sector, which is in more like Ispat Industries and others, who are here, who are looking for a good IT solutions, but they are not still not looking to connect with a good IT people or IT team or IT companies. So there is a gap between demand and supply. This we look as an opportunity, and we are trying to connect with them to provide our specialized services.
There is another thing is also in the picture is that uh, in terms of the employment opportunity, we are also very focused on to generate the employment opportunity at Chhattisgarh, because there are a lot of people is already lot of good minds are available in Chhattisgarh, but due to unavailability of the proper job opportunities, they are moving out of the state. So we wanted to be retain them here, and we wanted to be work with them also.
That's excellent. Creating employment is, of course, one core area, especially when we have talent available in our state. So it makes all the sense to create an employment opportunities here itself. Yeah, thanks a lot. And in the same vein, since traditionally Chhattisgarh has been the hub of core industries, from either be it mining, electricity production, metallurgy, cast iron, and also, do you think that a big opportunity is there in industrial IT automation?
Yeah, industrial IT automation is always a bigger opportunity in terms of because industrial IT is not, they are looking for a solution which is a big track or a bigger solution. They are looking a smaller solution, but giving them the kind of business impactful solutions. That maybe only a single page data entry operation also that is the they required at point of the time. But this single page of data entry, sometimes if it is getting automated, they are heavily got benefits in terms of the money, in terms of the operation excellence, in terms of the business excellence. So this kind of the opportunities, a lot of opportunities are available. But in terms of sometimes what is happening, if the IT big IT companies, they are charging too much heavily, and industrial business teams is not getting the right solution for at the right time. So that is the question for them. So that way we are helping them, and we are providing the custom made, tailor made solution as per the need. In this way we have developed our solutions.
There are many industries who are looking for even a small kind of automation, but since they are hesitate to go with the big companies who is having these products of automation, but that can be developed here in Chhattisgarh itself. We have seen many examples where we have done some small automation that is saving too much time in terms of the man working hours of the company. So that comes with cost saving of the company. But only thing is, expert solution need to be provided to them with a customized solution. So that is important for industrial automation, and that solution we are providing to our customers also.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I think, as they say, a technology is the lever that moves the
Yeah.
world. Without technology, I think it's impossible for even industries to take the next big leap.
Yeah.
It's impossible for them to increase efficiencies and improve accuracy. So I think that's a very big opportunity that you people are addressing, especially when the state is full of big industries.
Yeah.
I hope that you'll have many years of uninterrupted growth. And the important is, when it comes to Chhattisgarh, a relatively conservative state, to say, entrepreneurs like you are, of course, a source of motivation. So here is the question: what would be your advice to potential or very young entrepreneurs? What would be your advice, and what areas do you think they should venture into? So, yeah, Anurag, if you would like to.
Chhattisgarh is always a full of potentials. Chhattisgarh is the state where the, if you you can say in any terms, in terms of minerals, in terms of energy, in terms of natural resources, it is a full of resourceful state. So if you wanted to invest, you can invest in particularly if I tell about IT, IT is a big opportunity in the state of Chhattisgarh. You have the lot of good brains, you have the lot of good connectivity is a major problem which are earlier that is also solved in the Chhattisgarh. It's in terms of big term, all the telecom companies are working for that. And in terms of the industrial automation or non-industrial automation, work upon the industry's small problem, you will get the you will automatically you will going to deliver the bigger solution to the industry. Just try to solve the smaller problems of them and you will give the bigger solution to them.
So one thing that we wanted to mention, that being at Chhattisgarh, it is not like opportunities are always at the metro cities. There are many engineers or young people thinks about this, but opportunities are also in Chhattisgarh. We need to be identify the opportunity and follow them with a path, proper path, how we want to do it, like, and have a patience to get your idea success. That only we wanted to communicate with the new entrepreneurs who are looking for to start their businesses.
Yeah, thanks a lot for both of you for such wonderful advices. I hope that people who would see the interview and know about Aeon Digicon would definitely feel motivated that you've already, made it possible to have a company headquartered in Korba, an IT company headquartered in Korba, wherein though earlier it was relatively impossible to even think of having companies coming out of IT, especially IT companies coming out of Korba. So that is one fantastic job that you have, as a challenge, you proved that, yes, be it any city, it's possible, and it's possible to start and even succeed in any geography once your, I think, ideas are very clear. So I hope a lot of people would find motivation to engage in entrepreneurship with greater confidence. So any other thing of this would you like to add?
No, we have discussed
Yeah.
most of the things from
Yeah,
our
yeah.
perspective. Yeah, we can continue. Yeah.
Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, for speaking with us. It has been true delight to have you with us, and to know your thoughts and your journey. So thanks a lot for giving your time.